Hi, to do touchscreen diagnostics on Samsung Galaxy S25, you just need to open Settings. From here, choose Device Care, then scroll a bit down and find Diagnostics. After that, you will need to tap on Phone Diagnostics, and then it will automatically run some tests, which is 20 free tests. And you can use this back arrow to simply go back in Settings, then pick Phone Diagnostics again, and after that you will see the same display like in my case. So, as you can see, it has already checked some features till mobile network, and we just need to scroll a bit down, find touchscreen, tap it, and now we need to perform this test by tapping each square and drag finger across them. So basically like this. You need to cover all of these squares with blue color. So let's just swipe and touch the screen like that till everything will be completed. And we got the result, which is normal. So, if something went wrong, you can always run this test again by tapping the button. But this is the result. And yep, that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.